Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set custom photo in Gboard in your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. At first open settings, scroll down, click on general management and then showing you to keyboard list and default. So open to default keyboard and you just select Gboard keyboard. So click on to select. Okay, I'm already select. Go back and showing it to Gboard settings. So open this, showing it to theme. So click on and you just select if you want to using color or any wallpaper, or if you want to using your photo, so my theme. So click on to plus option and select image. Okay, I'm select, click on to next, to adjustment brightness, press on to done, click on to apply. Okay, now successfully add. Now I'm check. So look here, now successfully add photo. So that's it.